Bye.
Oh my God, finally! The chandelier case is already over. Mabuti na lang talaga wala ako doon. Hindi ko nakita nung bumagsak yon. I got a call from a guest. Nawawala. She needed directions. Mahina yung signal dun sa table namin. So I had to look for a better reception. Tapos, nakita ko na lang na bumagsak yung chandelier.
Nakita mo bumagsak yung chandelier? How did you see it?
Kasi malapit ako dun sa nangyari, yung aksidente.
Mom, you said you didn't see what happened.
Yes. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga nakita eh.
But you told the police na nakita mo nung bumagsak yung chandelier, remember?
Did I really say that to the police?
Yes, Mom. Sabi mo pa nga, naghahanap ka ng better reception nung makita mo na bumagsak yung chandelier.
Oh, really? Probably nasabi ko lang yun sa mga pulis kasi nagpapanik na ako dahil nagkakagulo na yung mga tao doon. Kahit na hindi ko naman talaga nakita yung nangyari.
Well, okay. I believe what you're saying now. Hindi na nga kita dapat tinatanong kung ano yung totoo kasi alam ko naman.
What do you mean, Trixie?
Alam ko na hindi mo nakita yung nangyari, Mom.
Dahil nakita mong umalis ako ng table natin.
Nakita ko kung nasan ka nun.
What are you saying?
Mom, hindi mo talaga makikita kung ano yung nangyari kay Ate Lilet because you were so busy talking to someone.
Talking to whom?
Attorney Alon. Magkasama kayo ni Attorney Alon nung nangyari yung accident na yun.
Oh, that. Actually, pabalik na ako ng table and then he came from the restroom and suddenly bumped into me.
Bakit kanya nilapitan?
Because he was going to ask me about the venue. The venue for his wedding with Era.
Mag-uusap talaga kayo doon habang nagsasalita si Ate Lilet sa stage, Mom?
Yan din naman yung ginawa mo, di ba? When Lilet was about to go up on stage, pumunta ka rin naman ng restroom. Ano ba to, Trixie, ha? Why are you interrogating me like I'm a suspect? Pinagdududahan mo ba ako?
Of course not. Bakit naman kita pagdududahan, di ba? I mean, is there any reason to?
Exactly. Pero ganyan ka rin naman nung nandun tayo sa mga pulis eh. So you know, instead of acting this way, you should just focus on your studies instead of creating drama.